I loved it.
I think it's fantastic.
To see that live is really, really good.
And I think it's wonderful that it's really putting Cardiff on the map.
Gŵyl at that plug. I don't see why it can't be like the next Edinburgh Fringe, maybe.
In the next week, I'm going to see John Cale, Gweno, Rufus Wainwright, John Grant and Ronnie Spector. That's like a dream come true.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n bwysig iawn I ddathlu'r llais yn Nghymru gan bod o'n rhan o pwy ydyn ni'n Nghymru.
I think it's great that a festival like this encompasses the whole of the city.
So I think it's quite special in Cardiff, but it brings together people from all over the world.
It's a really great thing the festival's doing to kind of have all those musical elements on a level field.
History of singing and voice, and I think it's a wonderful thing to celebrate it in such a way with not just one or two events but a whole 10 days long.
I think it's fantastic. It feels so comfortable and it feels so embedded in our culture already.
It's a real coup for the city and I can't wait to see what happens next time around.
Pan mae rhywbeth yn llwyddiant y tro cyntaf, does am ond lle I dyfu o fan ymlaen.